Hello guys. Anything you want to say to the good timers? No? Moo. Moo. Sorry this fence is here in your way. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Alright, you want to go see some antique tractors? You want to become a hamburger? Sorry.
Oh, that was rude.
How about a veggie burger? We like veggie burgers.
Yep.
Yeah, we do.
Chicken burgers are okay?
That's right. And hello, good timers. Welcome to another Good Times production. And today, as you can see, we have some friends with us. Now, we have some friends behind me because today we are going to go to the Antique Tractor Festival over in Norridgewock. So I thought it was only appropriate to film here with some of my friends. Now, a little bit of history about the Antique Tractor Club. They were founded in 1994, so it's not that old. They started with about a dozen members and have now increased to about 500. So let's go ahead and head off to the festival now, and we'll watch some tractor pulls and eat some good food, hopefully, and see the sights of the Antique Tractor Festival. So guys, like any agricultural festival, gonna have lots of things like tractor pulls, parades, lots of food vendors, crafters, and things like that. So we're gonna give you a little bit of a show here. We're gonna start with the Antique Tractor Parade. It's starting right about now. festival runs for 3 days here in the early summer up here in Norridgewock, Maine. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And besides just the obviously the tractor pulls, you can obviously have some other activities as well. They got crafts and fairs booths here. They do demonstrations for some of the old equipment. They got lots of equipment on display. They're also in the process of building this museum over here, which will be open to the public basically year-round. Not completed yet, but they are in the process of it. We'll show you that a little bit as well here in just a few minutes. But yeah, lots of things to do here at the festival. Food trucks, vendors, auction actually. They also have some raffles. So good times here in central Maine at the antique. You guys here can win your own tractor at this raffle. They have lots of raffles going on here this weekend for different things. I myself don't really want a tractor, but hey, there are a lot of people that do, especially people that are here. And you can see all the tractors on display right here, guys. These are the ones that were just in the parade, as well as the ones that are running the tractor pulls as well. Got some yard sales, 2 guys here to go along with the crafts. Also for the kiddos, the Fred and Matilda's petting zoo. Lots of goats there. Little bunny over there. Even a fake turkey. In case anybody's wondering, Simone is here today, guys. She's over there exploring the craft and sales areas, waiting on the larger tractor pulls to start. That's not quite her thing, but searching the little craft vendors certainly is. So that's where she is right now, buried over there somewhere. All right, guys, I'll show you a little bit closer up here, some of the crafts here on site. We got a little bit of everything here. Trinkets, some old tools over there, some artwork at some of the places. And Simone found someone that's going to make a little something for Snowden here that she's going to go visit right now. She's going to make it for us, and we'll pick it up later from her. Lots of quilts and carpets here, guys. All homemade stuff. Alright, guys, and this is where the museum is going to be. Once again, it's still a work in progress, but we'll check it out here and see how it's progressing. So right now, just a barn, but it will be cool when it's done. Right now, they're having a silent auction in here, and you can bid on any of this stuff. Looks like lots of antiques. Little John Deere section there. And then some knickknacks over here as well. Looks like there's going to be a lot of winners, as I don't see a whole lot of names here on the silent auction. So at this point, it's kind of sign up for what you want. You're going to win it automatically. Now's a good time. And they've got another side room over here that they're working on as well. So it'll be fun to come back here in a year or so and see what they've done with the place. Alright guys, tractor pull's not just for the men. We got some women in the house today. Right here, our first female contestant. Going on, guys. She's really trying up there. Might make it the whole way. Just about there. She's got to make it to the green flag here, guys, for a perfect run. Oh, and so close. And that looks like it's about it. Nice run.
Great job, Carson, with 102.64.
Alright guys, we got the youngsters now. This fella here looks like about 8 years old, maybe 10 or 12, but he's got a good head of steam here. And looks like it was over before it began. Nice try though. Another lady going to bat here, guys. See if she kicks some ass as much as the first one. Certainly looks relaxed up there. Up for her Saturday drive. About pulling a couple thousand pounds. Got a good run going so far, guys. She might make it the distance. She pretty damn close. And not quite. Already got the wheels up and around. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Fire it up. Not too shabby. And one last one here for the ladies, guys. Got a good head of steam. And she might be going the distance. And a nice run. Still going. Very nice run. And we've got a few food trucks here at the festival, guys. You get some fried chicken baskets here. Hot dogs, hamburgers, cheeseburgers, onion rings, all that good stuff. Also some ice cream and barbecue as well. So I think we're gonna try the barbecue, probably grab that to go so we can go home and see Snowden, who we left at home today. So we are gonna grab some lunch here and bring it back. Alright guys, the lovely Simone here is modeling the pork barbecue pit display. I've got myself a platter here with brisket, baked beans, coleslaw, and cornbread. And Simone got the pulled pork. Let's check that one out. As you can see, they boxed it all to go for us, guys. We got fresh French fries on Simone, and those look delicious. some pulled pork there, once again coleslaw and cornbread. So we're actually going to take this home and enjoy it with Snowden guys. So yeah, we'll box this up and head to the car. All right guys, well the rain has started to come down here, so that's our cue to head home. We got a 5-minute long drive ahead of us, so we better get started. Hey, we thank you guys for joining us today at the Antique Tractor Show. Hope you had a good time. Very cool thing here to do in the summer in Maine. So until next time guys, have a good time.
Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink.